So where do you want to play? Playing for Sundowns, when a little advantage still buyer more than playing for Baroka for Stelis.
Yeah.
Hence, when a player at Luanko Sundowns, go Stelis, Ibataki Sundowns, he doesn't even look back. He knows what it. Kitluamo, mo 3 ranta, kia go 3,000. Master Chef Kingwenya, but I don't think Uspana enough. Master Chef can think. He's a baller, that boy.
Yeah.
But if Aka Kenya more effort into his game, I think he can even play overseas.
So Villa ga touch the riding and I support. Man, Pizzo Simman, man, Pop Steak, man, Raucopa, man, Pop Steak. Yeah. Pizza thing, man. Why are salati pizza? Ato looks ya Gold Coast in fact. There's fear, man. There's that fear from Lukosi to introduce the Ntwana Tsedinyan because we had always had a very very good team. Good Ntwane. Tailoring Hadilala could riding could DDC. Ditlara di fisha their performer, but I mean their performer, but Aditla go first team. Aditoli chance like opportunity or who lalo Kenya Ntwana. Most of the time, Koji ba very doubtful. Or like said Ntwana, it guy. A full opportunity out lala go coast then we must allow them and give them the space to express themselves. I mean, it's not like you would tell you a Khale Chiefs is you. Dumelang Sanbonani Absheni Enda. Guys, we're back again at Hope Network Sports. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the engagement, subscriptions. Guys, remember we're on Facebook. We're also on TikTok and as well as YouTube. We really appreciate the support that you've shown to our podcast. But for today, I'm with Biza Matamati all the way from School of Excellence, 1632 Tembisa. But we're going to talk about soccer. Diski Fandache, Gutwenzagalani, like local diski. Internationally yonke into Pizza ukrenda uthaka
hala back mayawuthi
sibonge mfethu
sure
yeah ordintsang mfethu
watsiba ke relax re bla ke diski waya ke di qualifying ka itsa di World Cup mfethu kuminya
ne
sure
yeah and vele speaking of uminya Brayaga or vele raya World Cup.
No, it's a must. I strongly believe go mdala.
Yeah,
we installed too much belief. We now believe ko Bafana that they can do it. So we really behind them when they can pull it through. I strongly believe that will qualify.
Yeah, ne. So otherwise, kutla war mdala wa vaya after World Cup.
No, kaZulu bare iyeke isasemnani ungayimoshi. So utlaba into Spanish grand mfethu re qualifyile utlaba tlwetse standard sele high. So let it be mfethu yabona.
Yeah, skhwasere akuru sizulu. Skhwasere a good dancer knows
when to leave the floor.
The floor, yeah. Yeah, so mdala choro no son sare archi mara sala growth, you know.
Yeah, sala growth, but considering how many years Rasa qualify as South Africa for World Cup. So for Yena, it's a good achievement. So we try dance floor dance it. Hopefully we'll qualify for the last 16 or quarterfinals. Hopefully.
Yeah, no, I believe you. But also, he performed very well. Go AFCON, and it's been a while. Bafana perform a grand so, especially go the staging to AFCON. Even now, I don't think we've ever lost. We
one.
It was only once, ne?
No, you brought a belief, something that we have lost as defense, something the players also didn't have. He brought back the belief.
The love, actually.
The love also.
Yeah.
The belief, the love. So he made a huge difference, a huge change. Even though he hasn't won the AFCON, but it's a huge achievement, more especially for the South Africans.
Yeah, but I refer the flowers also to the guys that are and Lebona.
No.
Technical team.
Yeah, you understand.
Yeah.
When you say Mdala, we also Rebuaka technical team high, Bohelmene, the goalkeeper coaches, Bobodla Kishiburu. So you mean the whole team? In individual thing.
Yeah. And also, I think the psychology part of it, what he tells the players, I think he managed to tell the players the right things. Because I think if you don't win your dressing room, o tlo ba le struggle in terms of go groundong. O qala ko dressing room. Hore no win lerato la di-player tsa. So I think that guy who he instilled something that is very very important because normally they will tell you if coach a sa rate ke di-player he won't make it, he won't last that long le mo groundong la badlala wa bona le wena rai coach e nkare ba e frustang. So I think mdala o bile le that thing o kgonne ho manager very 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 well.
No, manager dressing room as a coach is very important. Understand? The results will tell out from dressing room. And then I think if you can check a team high beta, it doesn't change much. If you perform, he'll call you back again. So everybody wants to play for him. How no muncha, wow, guy a chance. If you perform, he'll call you back. So he sticks to his word. And then the players see there about now. Mtala a betrayer, no loyal. So they wanna play for him. And then playing for him, they produce good results, of which it determines everybody.
Yeah. And Liena loyal ko bona.
Loyal ko bona. Like it's a two-way street.
Yeah, we spoke about the players like they haven't been performing very well, maybe even go to club levels or they haven't been playing. Like we even remember before we started, we even spoke about Mutwa. That guy, Veli Mutwa, he was not really playing teaming, but he managed to abeko squatting all the time when we played Likaba Bafana. Now, let's talk about people who have been always been playing Kodi teaming Tabon at the club levels, performing very well. Obviously, I'm not gonna waste time not to mention but Barkemang Lodge. Why do you think Lodge Bamukwala? I mean, he played very well at Club World Cup. He has shown the world, or no, I can do this. I'm hungry. I want to play. I mean, I think even Pep Guardiola was impressed. There's comments that he made, or no, you know what, this boy is very good, whatnot. But Bafana Nkari, why? What's wrong?
You know, it's a difficult one because of I cannot tell you what Mdala thinks. I understand. And then Mdala will win. So whoever that he calls will perform. But if you can check Nyoso from Club World Cup, as you have mentioned, he has been playing well. He has been consistent, and then his game has improved so much. So it's very difficult for Mdala Assam meets. Because of what Baba beat Mdala, the same team. So who you wanna take out? Yeah. But at the same time, he also deserves to be called. Same applies to Bradley Grob. Like scoring week in, week out. He's not called. But you cannot fight Mdala because of his winning games. But
don't you think we must question him? Yes, Wawina, Arhani, and as Uchilo. If Wawina, I mean, we can't blame him, we can't fault him, or but if Naji on Ertaria, because Ushiabo Lochi, Ushiabo Krobla, and whatnot, but now still Wawina. But now I feel like still, man, I think it's not fair because to end your collab, go Bafana. Yeah, it's by performance, and we can see it as defense, as South Africans. We can see or no, Mfano hungry. Like Krobla is very, very consistent in terms of scoring goals. He played like the game like 11, is it 11?
Yeah, plus cup games.
Yeah, and he's scoring goals. But if you compare him to Foster is not really he's not really scoring goals. But then you still opt to take Foster. Is it because maybe he's playing abroad, or obviously we'll have that thing Koron or no man. Why Mdala such infano? Because now Krobla is doing very well. He's scoring. Striker sponsor kokor. What would you think when now Mdala or Akarafa excuse? Oh, but I know the opportunity. Reines Utuile was withdrawn from the camp, and then who Bitua Mahopa still. Krobla is way better than Makgopa. I'm not taking anything away from Makgopa. We know he has been very well consistent from Asandala ko Baroka. He played very well. He deserved to be there at that time. He was playing before Bila Ayako Pirates, because I feel like Ayako Pirates, his performance dropped actually. Ko Bafana, ko national team. But he was playing very, very well. But then that's why I feel like why Grobler? Why Grobler? Why is that chance? And it's getting old.
Before I answer that, when you say it's old, personally, age doesn't count much. Performance, I understand. But it goes back over if mdala believer ko no believer ko wena. But when as lodge as when a hobler, you must just keep on working hard and wait for your chance. Because of there's nothing that we can do or we can say etlo chenchang mdala's selection. And then on top of that, what win? Who complain winner?
Yeah.
So the guys must just wait for their chance. High fitla chance they must make sure they grab it with both hands.
Yeah, but yeah, ke kwali nakufila ke nalo kwali man. Nyoso phela nyoso mina because you can't. Nyoso like what
He's a
performance
game
raising.
changer. You know,
he's
he's a
raising
game
his
changer.
hand.
He's a game changer, Nyoso.
Yeah.
And you must know, Nyoso, when he plays, only influence Lumo teaming. You know, when he's in a team, everybody wants to play for him. You understand? Ke majitale haliting, change a mood in a dressing room. So I would love to have Nyoso ko Bafana, you know. But unfortunately, Mtala has got his own ideas. And then we cannot fight Mtala because of his winning. We are almost close to qualify for World Cup of which
Yeah. Yeah. No man, no kiona. So in terms of the space le sa di goalkeeper, do you think or wena di keeper tsa rena leng tsona go Bafana ke tsona di mnate? Because ke feel ngare ba re ke Mfana o dlalang ko Sundowns wa ke.
Ronwen.
Yeah, Williams. I feel like man he's too relaxed man these days, eh? I just feel like he's too relaxed. Asali, he's not giving us 100% like before. Even Luko Sundowns, I feel like he's not giving us 100%. He's not giving Sundowns 100%.
Again, it's difficult when you say he's relaxed. We don't know what goes through his mind, you know. But football is a game of opinions. What you see, I may not see. What I see, you may not see.
Yeah.
But considering it's winning. So how do you take him out whereas the team is winning? Maybe the performance is not like before, but the team is winning. So how do you falter him? But in a way, maybe in terms of his standards, si dropila hanyan.
Yeah.
Si dropila hanyan. And then liting second choice, he must wait for his chance if he. But if the coach doesn't see that, we will only complain as supporters, as fans. There's nothing that we can do.
Yeah. And also in terms of the starting lineup, mostly ke a bona hore ba re ke mang Lebohang Mofokeng. He's always go ntle, o thoma ko ntle, and then Mfano ba re ke mang Nkota is always on the first lineup. Do you think what is the difference between the two players? Because some people would opt. Actually, me personally, I would rather ke dlalise ntwena Mofokeng pele than Nkota. Or as how are comparable to?
At the present moment, Nkota is in a happy space. He's in a free space.
Yeah.
I understand. And then in terms of performance, he's above Mofokeng. But in terms of talent, Mofokeng is above Nkota. I understand. And then in life, in football, you need luck. Hana know the luck is around Nkota. Nkota on ale luck. Hana know. But when you compare the two in terms of coming to talent, Mofokeng is more talented than Nkota. You know, and then you must understand or you must remember a happy person brings a good performance. Nkota is performing better than Nkota, and I know. So two little things.
Better than Mofokeng. Yeah.
Two little things that matters the most. You can even see the socials, TikTok, how happy Nkota is.
Yeah.
You know, he's happy inside and outside. So with that, you'll get an A class or an A performance from a player.
So basically, there's a lot of elements that I'm already check rather than
most definitely.
Most
definitely.
Go ground.
Most definitely.
So, but so kind of after riding after Zimbabwe, because I think we left 2 games.
2 games. It's today, Friday, and Tuesday. Tuesday, I think we're playing in Polokwane. Yeah. We're playing Tuesday, Kopolokwane, last game.
Yeah. So if we
We have to win. We have to win both games.
so if we win both games, we are in.
Yes, we have to win
There's no
both
way.
games.
There's no story. We played
No,
someone.
no. We have to win.
We played someone who was not supposed
No,
to play
no.
due to
Those mistakes in
suspensions.
those mistakes in Fetu, that's one about thing in the first place because of we experienced that thing ka era ile ya Bukhune le Boshaba Kombombela.
Yeah.
So it was a bad experience. We did it again. It doesn't reflect well. But I know we left off winning both games by hook or crook. So we have to win those games today and Friday.
Yeah.
And Tuesday, sorry. Today, Friday, and next week, Tuesday.
Yeah. Okay. So now, a job well done to under 20 national team. At least they played very well. Bo Vilakazi, they played very well. Batuleko round of 16, last 16. Bajilebo USA, and as earlier on we say USA was much better than, or looked much better than Colombia. How would you analyze the two games?
We started off on a bad foot whereby we lost first game against France. We won the game, second game, we won 5-0 convincingly. And then, mind you, USA is France. So it was a game of France now. And then we performed better than the first game. We won convincingly. Although Dintwana Nedimisa the chances, but we won the game convincingly. Coming to game here, Colombia, I thought we'll win based on how we performed against USA. Because of Ifuka Cheka, USA was the toughest opponent. And then let's go 3-1. It's not the true reflection of the game.
Of the game, yeah.
Because
we
of
were much better than both.
Much better.
Yeah.
Although we started the game a bit slow, because first 10 minutes you could see where Colombia will score. But as the game progressed, Dintwana Neditola ready miabona, batola passing yabona grande. And then going to second half. First half, we missed about 2 or 3 clear chances. We came back, second half, we scored within 5 minutes. That's when Colombia scored. And then third goal, if I can remember very well, they scored it optional time whereby necessary press it high and then Bartswaraka counter attack. Then they scored the third goal. So overall, it wasn't a bad one, but we could have done much better.
Yeah.
More special game ya Colombia.
Yeah, but credit to Machita.
No, Machita, even to technical team, Coach Raymond.
Yeah.
With the little resources that he had, badladile grain, and then you could see culture.
Yeah.
Kasi, whereby with productive after doing some skill productive, seeing Fundo Vilakazi, those 1-2s, those are the things that we want to see from the players that Lango PSL going to the under 20s. So we're all looking forward for Mfundo from under 20. He must play with Chiefs. We want to see similar performance or even better performance from him.
Yeah, and how Buaka Mfundo Vilakazi. I saw a comment somewhere whereby they saying, I think a Kanye commented, Junior Kanye, to say Mfundo Vilakazi would have actually played for Pirates because Pirates Bafa the youngsters an opportunity. Coach Chiefs, they don't give him that opportunity. Like they don't trust him. They don't give him that opportunity to play and express himself like he does go under 20, go national team. But go like Coach Chiefs one me go ntle adlali hale go national team utlali di plan wetsa di plan and whatnot. What would you say ka comment e jwalo? I feel like I support it. I feel like Chiefs are a opportunity. Like Bafana Babo Lebohang, Mufukeng, Bonkota, and whatnot. Bombogas. They're young. I don't think. Do you think we're not about believer the youngsters Gold Coast?
It's 2 different camps with a huge following supporters. Understand? And then it's also up to him or got 5 minutes about Mofanyana, 10 minutes about Mofanyana Villagas. We grab understand? And then if you can check the 2 camps are not in the same stage. Chiefs are in a stage of trying to rebuild or to regroup. of which is going to be difficult for youngsters to shine. You understand? At Pirates, they are on a roll. Dilo tsa bona di via grand. It's easy to introduce the youngsters. It's easy to gel. So if you introduce Ntwana Ko Chiefs, we expect him to hit the top of the ceiling. This Asuka fell, of which is a typical stage for Chiefs. Also, we have to think for the coaches. Not to saying it's not right to give the Ntwana a huge challenge or to put them deep end or sweep. Look at the Ntwana tse ba di promotileng ko from DDC. Ke Ntwana tse grand tse dlalang. But how do you introduce them? You want to introduce them, killing them, or introduce them so that they can sustain or maintain the standard body setup. So it's difficult to compare the two camps in terms of introducing the youngsters.
But I think there's fear, man. There's that fear from Lukosi to introduce the Ntwana Tsidinyana, because we had always had a very, very good team go Ntwane. Tailoring Hadidala go riding go DDC. Di tla di fihla dia performer, but I mean they are performer but ha di tla go first team a di thole chance like opportunity or ho dlale o kenye dintwana. Most of the time coach ba very doubtful or tla di se dintwana tse di kae a full opportunity ya o dlala go Lukosi. Then re bona no register ke dintwana bona bo riding bona bo Nqobo. Okay, he did play that Nqobo, he did play bo Mashiane, but I feel like, man, we must allow them and give them the space to express themselves. I mean, it's not like you would taba jiwa khale Chiefs jiwa. Khale Chiefs jiwa. Even if ka ba lahlela bafana ba leda na ke bona una le but also I think it's all about what the coach believes in. Right now, do we have a permanent coach Chiefs? Is there a permanent coach Chiefs?
Hey, Obana touches that and say two important. The coach tells it to Peladitile Navi.
Wabon?
And then Navi apparently wava. And no via Joangasia about to battling Lebon.
Yeah, that's the thing. So I think also if Batilele and then they will still use the same strategies high. They will still play.
By the look of things, these guys, they have their own ideas because of the way Bazalanga thing, no, later time Nabia Sale thing. For now, it looks different.
No, it's different, yes. Hey, Nabile na karota male patinya. Wavaya team ya wina boya ithome ya jiwa futhi. So I think, yeah, but also so Villa ga touch the riding engwe and ke am support. Man Pitso Msimane man Bob Steak man. Ra o kopa man Bob Steak. Yeah. Pitso teng man wa re sala ti Pitso atlo lukisa ntluele ya Lukosi mfethu.
You know, Kaizer Chiefs mfethu ispana ka mkhomo. It doesn't work like other teams in fact. It's a big institution. They do their things differently.
Yeah, that's why they always lose him most. Or they do their things differently.
They do their things differently. The supporters, they want Pitso. And then do Chiefs want Pitso now. That's another thing. Well, I understand. Or the supporter di batla motho so team yona ya matla motho na. And then if Pitso azwakala, what will happen with the two that Nabi left? Do ya guy. And then as we all know, Pitso overall crew ya high. So wabona somewhere iba complicated inyani. Iba mix masala nyani.
Yeah, iba mix masala mara we need Pitso da Lukosi da. Our time.
Chaivi gore Lukosi la matla na.
No, tlamele ba matla.
Because of last time when I checked Pitso with yena is available. I want team e buileng le ene. Wa bona riding here. Or the supporter di panda da man.
No,
but team yona ya mupanda na.
No, tlamele ba matla mfuthu.
So na Greng no represent defense.
Yeah.
On behalf of the fans.
Yeah, on behalf of the fans. We need Pitso there. And then Bob Steak they need to engage Pitso bamtlise da ko Lukosi. So because we can't say the issue is money. We know Pitso is actually very expensive.
You have to compromise. If you want good things, you must pay.
But it's not like they're not paying. Obviously, they're paying. But now they're paying them a lot of money. The coach, we know the coach they are patalo.
Okay, so if Pitso Azwagala, are you still gonna say you are building or a Lolo Kubeka Kantu Nabi? I building.
Bon, Aren Hortman. Kill Lukosi.
Yeah.
Kill Lukosi. It's a magic in fact. It's not something that you'll build, or it's not something that you get it right in a day or in 2 weeks. Something that maybe nakonyana. It might take us the whole season. It's fine. As long as we can go top 80, it's cool. The whole season, but the next season, he'll probably Kishore. First, remove the first season. Defense well to guys, hey, we won't understand, it's fine. But first season, we understand. Keep it. He'll get it right. But now we're in Sundowns.
Yeah, but with the rate the coaches it looks like top 8 will be guaranteed for next season with the rate that they are going. When it comes to Pizzo has got his own ideas, his own. Hopefully, Bob Stake, they'll come to their senses. They'll call him. Hopefully. But knowing Pizzo, he can turn the tables. He can do the magic, as you said. He can do the magic. That guy, what covers Pansai, that guy is so committed. That guy can bring joy back to Amakos, I believe.
Yeah. Like Barkimang, that boy who nerbua kaena earlier on. Odlalang utwango Golden Arrows to Modi. Modi's performance in fact is not up to par. But he's been good. We know he's good. He has been good go Golden Arrows. Now he's go Gold Coast. Like there's always that thing kadi player other teams too. Ditloa di sharp. Even Ox go Stellenbosch, go Chiefs. That guy's performance was very good. After Gold Coast, he drop. It has always been like that.
Pablo Meauti, to be honest, playing for Chiefs, playing for Pirates, playing for Sundowns is totally different. I wanna friendly game. I wanna easy training session. The standard is high. It's high. Standard is high. In fact, in a way, you're training, you feel when in fact, aksafana lang we are called. And then it also changes the way you live. I also feel out on Al-Khale, Pele for the Chiefs, the Pirates, the Sundowns. I'm going to go through more we Spaza over IFL. Understand? It changes a lot of things. I'm going to go start via the way no via cutting. You cannot go to the mall anytime that you want. Understand? So the lifestyle changes. The way you live changes. The way you train, it changes. If you wanna train when now at Ojima, Kanakoya 9 to 10 or 9 to 12, that doesn't happen when you play for a bigger team. If you play for a bigger team, a lot of things have to change. If you try to robalaka 12 o'clock, midnight, you have to sleep at 10 o'clock. Understand? So those are the little things that they show into your game. I'm not saying the guys are not sleeping, but somehow they have to do more of what they used to do because of the demand. It's more higher at the higher level, at the higher teams.
I feel like it's hunger, man. Bona Sundowns. If you take Sundowns players, those guys, they are hungry. Very hungry.
What makes them hungry? Because of the bonus structure. It's on another level.
Yeah.
If you win certain games, you get so much. Understand? If you play for Chiefs, I saying feel will cause so you relax. But if you more hunger, you will see Luena more environment the demand is high. It should go higher. If I play for Pirates, in fact, amapagania awatati amanyala.
But also the competition within the team. If udlala position how now you the only one udlala that position but and whoever to replace Kenya Mtomong, he's not gonna perform like not before. I think that's when you drop your performance. Look at Pirates. Pelago Pirates is bosi bombula abaka it's Master Chef abasa shebi pila scheme siavaya. Because you replace this one, kenang, they give 100.
It all goes to when as an individual. Why are you there? Why are you there? You want to tell me if Kilala 2 games, 3 games, man replacer, will I be happy with that? That means I'm not doing something right. Yes, they call it technical changes, but me now as an individual, ki happy now, 3 games in a row and replace. If I get a start, I must make sure I'm fit. I do my best. Ke kenyetsa Ramanolo on the bench, a pressure where he must outplay or outsmart what I did. Le ena ha kena mole, you cannot be sitting on the bench 3 games, 4 games, obe happy wena u super sub. You must fight. That's where a healthy competition starts. And then start a guy from training, whereby we give a coach a headache, or a comes weekend, you must have a headache or otomakana or otomakaramanol. If kitomakamont, I must make sure that 10 minutes, that's where Bobo Villagazi comes in. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It must make a huge difference. Mutaskaba hebe or aminangzongena sagonaf. Competition utoma training.
Yeah. So, but big up to Orlando Pirates, man. It's playing very well this season. Actually, it has always been playing very well. Mara ba enkaliki but bale the way nakbona ngating, the way batlang ngating. Sundowns is a side. Pirates nje, they're gonna take it.
I won't say they will not take it. I think they've played 13 games, all competition. They've never lost. And then they're conceding low. Rate eba vanka yon. Ki rate ya winner league. And then when it comes to Sundowns,
Basaphe.
the points tse ba nang le tsona for the past 3 to 4 years, ki the lowest points tse ba nang le tsona for the league. And then on top of that, Pirates, they always start the league so well. After break at December, they disappoint.
Yeah. Consistency.
Consistency.
Yeah,
So
but
I won't say Pirates won't win the league. They always, on paper, they always have a good team to compete for the league. And then
They start very well.
They start very well. Period Pirates, if you can check, ki rate ya bona yaw. Futana, no, I think they dropped got their first 2 games. Normally, last season, they started 7 games without a lose. Hana, no, they went, how many? 9, 10 games, but started like a 2 lose. So keep bet start ya bona. Maybe it's a wake-up call. Kobona, hopefully, they will maintain after December break. They will maintain the standard, say by Bates and so on. Because of last 2 seasons, after December break, but he let that down, ka performance I want. But on paper, Pirates should be competing, should be giving Sundowns toe-to-toe competition.
Yeah, I think Tamil nakbata by GA this season, at least. Because the idea of Sundowns every time you dominate. Come on. It's
It goes back to preparation.
Liga Rona no we Mzansi no iba wiki pela.
No, it goes down to preparations. How well do you prepare your season? What are your goals? Are you reaching your goals, your monthly goals, yearly goals, halfway mark goals? It goes back more. Lona as a team, from now to December, the goal style on again. From January to the goal style on. If you're reaching your goals, I see them. Maybe they can compete. It's not going to be a handover. I don't think Sundowns will be badly within the season. They'll pick themselves up and then they will be there, Libona. I fancy it will be toe-to-toe the Pirates when it comes to the league.
Yeah. And the other teams, Durban City, do you think how's their performance so far, according to you?
Suwelele, when it comes to Suwelele, they will always be strong playing home. I'll check about the away games. The home supporters, they play a huge role. Durban City got Kevin Hunt. Selectile but ba understanding his philosophy, his style of play. He's winning home, he's winning away. Liena ka rate avanka yona, he won't be relegated. Already sa lata 28, 29 points, not even halfway through. So if he can get 30 points before first round fella, he's safe ka status, of which it will be a good achievement for Durban City ka first season. But Skukuni, they can pull it through because of experience. Eric Tingler, experience at the players. It's not a surprise whereby he one of the top 3 teams in the country.
Yeah.
And then again, Nilo Bona playing KEF last season. It also plays a huge role. I'm impressed with the teams that Amazulu, Golden Arrows. If you can watch Arrows lately, they play decent, nice football. Entrepreneuring is football. They are scoring goals. They are playing, entertaining with goals. You understand? So that there's a lot of improvement in most teams go PSL. I'm not too sure Kabo Makezi in terms of the league. They're doing well in the cup game. I'm not too sure in terms of Orbit. They're playing well. Mara, they're losing games. So I'll check the points tsa bona mfethu di go tlase too much.
These are good class.
Di go tlase too much. So I'm scared whereby ba ka kena ba khutlele morao hape.
Yeah, but the league ya rona, so basically how we shebile, is it competitive enough?
There's a lot of improvement. You know, there's a lot of improvement. Sundowns is setting the standard. Teams are improving. You know, we cannot take away the shine of Sundowns. The setting the standard, winning the league 8 times in a row. That's a high standard. So we wanna see the team steady the pick up as well. I was happy to see Arrows beating Sundowns because of if you can check out previous seasons, Sundowns were winning home and away. Home and away. So if Arrows they win at home, that means there's an improvement there on their side. I want.
Yeah, also a job well done to under 17, yeah, national team, yeah, Bafana. It shows like Momzanti, we've improved in terms of Diski. Bona under 17 is now going to World Cup. Under 20 was playing World Cup. Batuleko round of 16. Bona Bafana now they are going to World Cup. So it shows Momzansi at least there's a wake up call thing. Someone is doing the right thing. But someone who will arch or no, I think the development disc it's the most important thing. If development from the grassroots you span it if ever red guy support Bafetu, this is how it should go and whatnot. And so I don't know if you have anything to say in terms of that.
To your surprise, check again my Kojang under 17 national team. The very same Kojang DTC ya Chiefs. Who won DTC ya Chiefs?
Yeah.
The very same Kojang under 17. So it shows already that guy has got passion, not leaving out the team that he's working with. You understand? So if we can follow, make no mistake, Mzansi has got talent. If we can do our things properly, in fact, we are bound to produce top players that will play in top leagues. So our coaches are on the grassroots. Most coaches are putting a hard-fought work. Just the standing block, Kimolimo. If we can give the Ntwanata Chiefs, as you have mentioned, the Ntwanata Chiefs platform, I don't think they will fumble. Understand? If we can check, Chiefs has been doing well, go the TTC, go the under 17. The very same coach he most coaching go the under 17.
So currently, if you were to select your best 11 for Bafana, etodlalang game ya yona le Zimbabwe, who would you choose? Who would you go for?
Lineup Mdala Kivaya Leon. Mdala utsere magic in fact. Mdala utsere magic. Lineup Mdala Kenya Kivaya Leon in fact. The guys have been brilliant in fact. Before AFCON, throughout they've been doing so well. So whatever Mdala lineup I Kenya Kivaya Mdala 150% in fact. Mdala uphethe magic in fact. Asilahle magic la iphethe.
Or even if Ashile Bonyoso.
In fact, Bonyoso re tla ba bona mfethu. Lana team squad sa speeditseng no Mdala. Let's stick to it. Let's support it. Machita sa ba bitsang. Let's wait for their chance. We'll support them le bona ba ba beat.
Yeah, so Choko Barbuaga Mdala, and this thing are Mdala. A lot of people are not even aware of Rubuaga Hugo Bros. Because we're saying Mdala, if my Chola podcast still Mohari, they're not gonna have an idea of Rubuaga Mang. Anyway, it's Hugo Bros. So in terms of he made a comment, Kadi players like they played, they moved, they made their moves via Nyogo, Bo Adams, Atloe, Bo Pasadine. Atlowe ayako teaming high ayilodlala ko Mamelodi Sundowns whereby then they're not utilizing him to his best of his ability, and both of them Pasadena le Adams. How do you see that around? Because Adams is not playing the way he used to play the way he used to play before Ayako Sundowns. And then Mtala Oyakaena, he's not playing, Adams is not playing the way I'm matlankating. Mona I'm selector, I'm Tisako squad. And Uchilo are if Ato continues Alako Sundowns until World Cup the chances are high World Cup they are very slim. Even Le Pasadena.
It's unfortunate in fact whereby players that Tonalbo Adams did tell a situation in so. Let's say Natola Treranta go Stellenbosch. And then Sundowns ya fitla ere rofa 4,000. How will you say no to that? Irrespective if you're gonna play or not. It's a life-changing situation. Before Ribea Rekenya go ground. I know, or I think I know, or I believe, or Le Adam Sayamol, I'll compete for my place. Of which it's very difficult because of you are playing with equally good players as you are. But if we check out more setting learning, football is a short career. If football go 4,000, it's a huge improvement. No one will say no to it.
Yeah.
You know, and then you must remember the guys are supporting NFL who changed the whole setup, the whole family. We know Makala Tibodaki, we from similar situations, similar backgrounds. You know, we support a cousin, we support a malom, we support a auntie.
Or breadwinner,
Breadwinner.
Yeah.
And then as well, uplifter, lebat baba. So if you can uplift 20 amo family, ka salary how? Why not? Whereas ka salary how no uplifter 5. 15 we improve it. So why one or a tricky guy. And then when we change it, we bring it in the field of play. The competition is tough. The competition is high. Mind you, is competing against Tebogo Mokoena, of which he's a regular ko Bafana Bafana. He's competing against Obas.
Yeah.
Of which Obas ki replacement ya Tebogo Mokoena ko Bafana Bafana. He's competing against
Alande. Yeah.
Of which is an international. He was bought card in Yogotebai. So what one of the challenges
that
strong players. And then if you can check Adams when he plays, he doesn't disappoint. But you can see where if he gets more minutes, he can do even better. Atemba boya happy.
Yeah.
Email guy Adams. Go picking orders. So he knew deep down, where I'm taking this out of football, I will benefit. My challenges when I go to football are this. He knew exactly. Same applies to Pasadena. Same applies. Or I'm taking this, but the challenges out like kids. But outside football, if I can stay there for 4 years, 5 years, my life will improve. My situation will improve. But when it comes to playing, my chances are very slim.
I think that isinya disk somehow. Yes, we need money. Right, talk zaga, but isinya career Bafana Bafana. If you can look at, as you've mentioned, Kabo now, Pasadena. Also, I nearly forgot, but it comes a long way. There's a lot of players like Bo Mashihu. Remember that boy who Nadala left Becky, go Sundowns, apparently recently left
Devon City.
Uko Devon City. That boy Nadala regularly ko Bafana Bafana. If you remember very well, that boy Nadala regularly ko Bafana Bafana. But then he left, he went to Sundowns. Atoma Rula Konitazanga Sadala. A lot of players. Look at Mvala. Okay, Mvala has always been ko Sundowns and whatnot. Now he's not playing ko Sundowns. Ko Bafana he's not there. And Mvala has always been very, very well. I mean, very, very great. I mean, he's always been a very good player. So now I feel like Zaga affected the career. There's a lot of players. I had to go Sundowns because Sundowns simple it on 550 rand. Nano kitwala 5 rand mo team killing koyo. So it's that element is
motivation ya human being king. Kinyo. That's a motivation.
But Nyugu at the same time, yes.
Kinyo at the same time, if you check it. Bafana is a high guy in a year. 5 times probably. in a year, 6 times in a year. Sundowns idlala ha kae in a year. League games, cup games, CAF. Where are you gonna make money? So you're trying to play for Bafana Bafana for 9 times or 9 games per season, whereas you have plus minus 60 games to Sundowns. Irin bonus Sundowns when you play. We are the first people to say begayenzani ngemali.
Yeah.
We are the first to say begayenzani ngemali. Whereas udlalela Baroque for 10 years. You're playing week in, week out. Play Dalam Baroka for 10 years, play Dalam Sundowns for 4 years. There's a huge difference. What's the difference? It's money. So where do you want to play? You want to play where you'll be playing week in, week out, or you want to go where you'll make money, whereby you retire? There's something that you can point, you can say, company can you get team. How you want to tell me replay Dalang Stellenbosch, Kabula company?
Mara di akhola ntwana
They are
these days.
earning
Yeah.
compared to play Elenko Sundowns. There's a huge difference. Take nothing away from Stellenbosch, but playing for Sundowns, the advantage still buyer more than playing for Baroka for Stellis.
Yeah.
Hence, when a player at Luanko Sundowns, go Stellis, Ibataki Sundowns, he doesn't even look back. He knows what Kitlua mo 3 ranta, kia go 3,000. It's a huge. And then mind you, I also can le agent fee, transfer fee, whatsoever, signing on fee, I also the Kenya more. So I want to rotella nyugelo before over Rahabon. So where do you want to play?
Yeah, no, but it also comes with passion, man. I feel like passion at Iski was not really based on chelete. Back then, I could say
Kasi ngamla bare compare, it's a thief of joy.
Yeah.
I hate to compare.
okay, yeah.
But that time, if you check the money, it was also good.
Kana kweli.
It was also good. Hana, no, it is even better. So comparing, I'll be unfair to the present players. Because of if you look back, Machita Hale, that time, 20,000, it was a lot of money. It was a lot of money. 60,000 was a lot of money. 20,000 or 60. It was a lot of money. If we change it, and I know 200 to 500, it's a lot of money. So after 5 years, it will be little. Right? So the passion is there. Make no mistake, the passion is there. So about the amount won't be the same. But the amount, if you check way back, the amount was huge. The amount was big.
Yeah. So I don't like to talk about Saleng that much. We spoke about him a lot of times. I give at least some cause, but I feel like career I point given no really na rimsheba kuba Bafana.
It's difficult to stay a year without playing, and then you come back, irrespective how good you are. It's like you from the injury, you understand? And then you can tell, or you can say, yes, it was more of a psychological thing. Right? So staying a year without kicking the ball, it played a huge role. You can see when he plays, he wants to do things, but the melee,
Yeah, so
also be more body. It's very difficult. Even Lukoja Hainya Kilemu Kawata Lena, or Saleng is not playing, is not performing, is performing below par. You cannot go from 0 to 100. It goes gradual. He's still a good player.
Yeah. So what is your best 11 PSL so far? If you were to choose 11 players.
Yes.
First lineup, Pizza Matamati, where's a lineup high?
I watch all the games, or most of the games. It's a tough one. It's a tough one. The new players. There's this boy Alalang Obit, I think in club, center back number 20. There's this boy who plays for Aros, number 18. I forgot his surname, skinny one, center mid. There's this boy was striker Aros, number 18. Very big, chubby, full of energy. He runs. He thinks. Goalkeepers. No, it's a difficult one.
It's difficult.
Yeah, it's a difficult one. I cannot pinpoint Kerke first 11. Guys have improved. Guys that are putting in a good shift. You know, Spillibil is doing well. Munyani, before injury, was doing well.
Yeah. Master Chef must work on his fitness.
Master Chef,
Aka
pace high.
but he needs to. I feel like if Aka add more into fitness.
I think Master Chef is one player who's naturally talented, and he knows how talented.
Yeah, sure.
But I don't think he puts more craft into his game.
Yeah.
Because of, even if when he plays, I tell my 65, 70, he's tired. I see him 90. I've got nothing
sure.
about this pace.
Yeah.
You can be fast, but Master Chef can think. He's a baller, that boy.
Yeah. Yeah.
But if Aka Kenya more effort into his game, I think he can even play overseas. Master Chef Kingwenya, but I don't think Uspana enough. I'm not saying he must be fast.
No, yeah, true. No, now I feel like if fitness, man. Bafana ka itwara so, Master Chef. If I can add into fitness, yeah, because only everything ko polo. Only on
maybe height. Maybe Jima Grand arrest enough. Maybe arrest. Maybe arrest
or
enough.
Maybe Jimmy enough.
Maybe
Jimmy enough because he knows or nakem not.
Probably. Yeah, probably.
Maybe no one knows Jimmy.
No. Next time is this session. Next time is this session. Next effort. Maybe how can you effort enough?
And unfortunately, I'm more or body I keep body Christmas abuya ke flow.
Yeah, Chanti Oban. If I can Kenya 10% into his craft, that boy will blind. That boy unzima.
Yeah.
Unzima, that boy.
Yeah. No man, Pizza Arekwale Prayaka. Anything that you want to add?
No, Fetu. The only thing that I can add in Fetu, let's support Bafana. Let's rely on them. We stand a good chance, a better chance of qualifying for World Cup. If we qualify,
yeah, ne?
Yeah.
World Cup
yeah, it's high time.
And it's not like you're about to qualify a fail.
No. With him, Dala, with you going fit, we're not gonna add numbers.
You're not gonna.
No, I'm pretty sure last 16 in fit to down fit. Yeah, come Dala, no, I'm Dala, no, I'm Dalu Petty Magic.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, we believe. I believe. Come Dala, I believe.
And then again, I hope and believe or Bo Pagania, Bo Skukun in fit. They will compete for league in fact. Reska Feta League got 10 games, Sundowns win the league. So I strongly believe where Skukuni Pirates will give Sundowns a run for their man.
Yeah. Yeah, mara no, wana Pirates ka collector points. Sundowns is salahlile nyana man. Salahlile nyana. Basanzan basaluki akibo no rotla fetsa jara this coach.
No. Kodoso
akibo no tla fetsa.
Don't vaisa akaluza go careful. They go careful. Utova after careful for league ya.
Ene sheba. What's what I think mentally it tla upaizisa wabona psychologically. So if the man aka sfetsa ngwa ba tlo thola coach ngo mara ngwa season wabona direct tseo dia disturb amfethu.
Sheba mfethu. Kodoso uthotsi Sundowns guy. Uthotsi Sundowns harajara.
We step paradent.
Kodoso uthotsi Sundowns harajara. Uba fitlisitse final ya CAF. Uba winisitse league. It goes two ways. It depends or coach etla ka strategy
thing ne.
Utlo understand utlo click. Pela coaching is all about clicking with the players. If the coach etlo tlang I click lead the players, that's when batlo ba le flop. Sheba coach ya Pirates I feel if it no shebella ka tla re hard league le di-players but sheba no 11 12 games without a lose
o tshwere momentum.
it's very momentum. So now hopefully Pirates after January ha ba boya ba tlo tshwara momentum way. If they ba ka tshwara momentum way, we are up for Himli Dingla.
Yeah.
The Harlem.
Oh, you're a Pirates fan?
No. I support good football. I support good football. I don't support Pirates. I support good football.
Yeah. No, man, it's na very nice support what you're saying. Pirates is doing well and Karika push the way. Both Kukun and one Buffet Sundowns run. Not always or Sundowns to do win a league. I mean, come on. We
win a league is 10 games.
We win a league is 10 games. So Babamba Salabalon at top 8. So otherwise, I couldn't churena. Bob Steak you karakatosa barkimang. Bob Steak please man raw fries a grotman available when I will on a fail. Well first that.
No because le guaranteed this season le guaranteed top 8. They will qualify for top 8.
Yeah.
They will qualify. Right there ba ka yona emnat. Top 8 they are guaranteed ba mnat ka yona.
Yeah. No man, let's just hope uri itla ba vaela the way. And everyone else, I wish good luck for them. And also, what I would like to see Lena, Kimshisha Lala World Cup. So the injuries are high. I think they need to try and manage those injuries. Or at least the games they didn't always bazamu manager man in terms of injury sharp no so I just hope and wish pray for him or a manager Lala World Cup.
That will be a dream send off.
Yeah,
that will be a dream send off. I'm sure Lena Molenko that's what he's hoping. I think he'll be the second player to play how many AFCONs? 5, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So World Cup, not everybody gets a chance to play for the World Cup.
Not everybody, man.
So
not everybody. And even recently Baruting Ubuile from injury, no what training.
Yeah.
I feel like ba Murasha, man, in terms of Ubuya. No, yes, you know, rata diski. Probably a relaxed or Kenyan, maybe the Dotse body leon and he's getting old. I mean, he's old now. Body leon but I think slow by slow, man. I mean, hanyani. Injury sometimes
that will be a good send off. Playing a World Cup on Fetu. Not only him, but people that he's representing Fetu. I think that's the wish. Understand? Or he must get ill. He must play World Cup. He comes a long way. The journey has been long. So finishing the journey World Cup, it will be a perfect send off.
Yeah. And obviously, the players sitting outside Bombogas. I wish Lena Skabali the injury going forward in terms of Udlala. Because now that boy Ramnida World Cup. So Lino, I feel like if Bakatra manage the game times are Skakra Dula all the time. Kila wana Badala Africa, Wadala, Mohai, Wadala, he's young, yes. Wadumela Mara Eshman. I think we need to try and
Dumela, and I think Nagoya High it lay the right time. Whereby you'll never find a player playing AFCON, playing World Cup. Same year. So if you wake him dim fanol or one Italo unkulunkul lento le etlo etsahalang ka mfanol or one. So let it be. If it happens, he must play. Let him play. He's still young. I believe he can maintain. It's not like Uchanal Botemba.
Yeah.
Or he's still young. 19. He can play 3 games.
Baska hatam fanole man.
He can play 3 games. He can play 3 games. He's still young. Still fresh.
Yeah. No, I know flow puppies man. Kalebu for Roswagale retoring agatisk.
I know. Rekafela pro.
Yeah. Guys, thank you very much, man. Thank you very much for watching. Please, man, we're on YouTube. Do subscribe, like and subscribe, and press that notification button. We're also on TikTok. We're also on Facebook. But until next time, Siabo.